Ready to take your Wix website from static to spectacular with a simple yet powerful scrolling effect. First, make sure you've enabled developer mode in your Wix editor. You can find this setting in the top menu under Dev Mode. Now, select the text element whose color you want to animate. Noting its ID from the Properties panel, this is crucial for targeting it with code. In the Code panel at the bottom of your screen, navigate to the Pages Code section. Here, you'll write the script to control the text color change. Use the onViewportEnter function to define what happens when the text comes into view, setting the text color to your chosen highlight shade. Subsequently, employ the onViewportLeave function to revert the text color back to its original state when it scrolls out of sight. Test your website in preview mode to see the dynamic color change in action as you scroll up and down. Tweak the code as needed to fine-tune the effect. And just like that, you've added a touch of magic to your Wix site, enhancing engagement and creating a memorable user experience.